Hi guys, thanks for joining me again today on my channel. Today we have February's Ipsy, so let's open it on up. This month is actually all about the love because it is Valentine's Day, so that's what we have on the little card that we received inside. I wish that these cards told you about the items, but it's all right. I think we can figure it out. It is Valentine's and it's all about love, 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 love. I actually am wearing some of the items on my face today, so if you want to go ahead and see what I got, then stay tuned. So for the first item that we got a super cute little brush. It says, "Be beautiful, be you." And that is such a cute little message. This is by Farrah, and it's a large angled contour brush. And the number of it is 30F. It's a very soft brush. It does pick up the product really well though. So it actually seems very soft, but the bristles are quite dense and they pick up the product and put it where it needs to go. Our next Ipsy item is by Bang Beauty, and it is a blush. It is in the color Cheeky, which is very cute. Play on words, it's cheeky. And it is very pigmented. It has a nice color to it. I did apply this to my cheeks as well. It can go on with a lot of, it's like I said, it's very pigmented, so it goes on pretty dark, so you want to just have a light hand with it while you're putting it on. I did use the brush that they sent to me as well to put it on. The next item that I am wearing as well is by Estate, and it's Do Me. Hello. I mean, are we just snapping little things in here left and right with this bag, huh? With all these little cute phrases. But this is such a pretty highlighter. It's Afterglow is the color, and it's got a purple hue to it, but when you apply it, it just gives you such a pretty glow. And I put it on my cheeks, and I also applied it to my eyes as well. I think it just gives a really pretty color, and it just complements whatever blush you have underneath. And I just had a nice natural eyeshadow that it also complements really well. So I really am happy with this product and super excited about it. It's a baked highlighter powder, and it just gives a super pretty color. It's cruelty free, paraben free. The next item that we have is by Ofra Cosmetics. It is a long-lasting liquid lip. Okay, so on the actual bottle, there's a Ipsy code. Use Ipsy code 30 for 30% off. So you get, I guess, 30% off Ofra Cosmetics. There's a little bonus for y'all. And I am also wearing this lipstick on my lips. It applied very nicely. A lot of these liquid lipsticks, when they dry, they can sometimes be very drying to your lips, and this is not. I like it because it feels still very wet, but it doesn't move around a ton. It is transferable, but it also, I don't mind that because it's not like you have to pry it off your lips to get it off. So that is nice. And the very last item that we have in our Ipsy bag is by Apto is the name. It is a moisture retaining day lotion, and it's for dry to combination skin. I did not apply this all over my skin because when I opened the bag, I had already had a lot of my base makeup on. But I did put it on my hand, and it feels wonderful. It just has a nice, light, kind of clean smell to it. But it doesn't you smell it when you first put it on, but then it kind of disappears as it's on, which is nice. But my skin on my hand feels very soft, and I'm a mom of 5 and my hands are not normally very soft, so that is nice. I will be using this on my face, and I'm excited about that. And don't forget this sexy little bag. This is one of my favorite Ipsy bags. Such a pretty color. I love, love, love. So super happy with Ipsy. I will leave all the information linked down below, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. And if you like this video, then please like this video. Don't forget to share. And till next time, guys.
Hello, YouTube.
Thank goodness it's not live TV. Hi, guys. Thanks for joining. Hi, guys. Can I get like a better
Thanks
voice?
for watching my videos.
Well, hello, all.
Hello,
Thanks
YouTube.
for joining me again today. I don't like it. Okay.
You know those horns.
Can I?